Dear students, my online viewer and all, they are indulging in the competitive view as JEE, IIT, NEET, KYBP, Polytechnic, NDA and other competitive examination. Today I would focus on such type of students and such type of viewer about the functional group that qualify a compound, their physical and chemical properties in broad in sense. That chemical properties are most eminent without a functional group. So today I come to study about alcohol, phenol and ether, but today I am in front of you taking a functional group, that is alcohol. As you know, alcohol is also known as hydroxy group. Also alcohol and also this functional group is denoted by OH. The functional group are qualified into two categories. One of functional group is properly extreme groups, and some of the functional group that is in that intermediating the two radicals either in same or different. According to the functional group hydroxy, that is alcohol and OH. Now according to Lewis structure, you have learned about the alcohol, by the covalent bond. The Lewis dot structure is here given and their dash structure will be OH. Its suffix is ol, that is ol, and extreme functional group, extreme functional group. Ol, that is alcohol, always produce at the last of the any compound or any series. Its GF, that is general formula, is CnH2n plus 2O, and other general formula is to CnH2n plus 1 OH. This GF already qualify OH, but here is O doesn't clear about the functions, but when we take n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and there so on, then we get come to here about this situation, that is very important situation to knowing about the alcohol and on the basis of their GF. As per CnH2n plus 2O, if n equal to 1, then it is said to be as C1H2 into 1 plus 2O, that is CH2 plus 2O written as CH4O. Now we replace one H from this compound that produce CH3OH, that is methyl alcohol. Similarly, when we take 2, then C2H4 plus 2O, that is C2H6O. It can be represented in form of OH, then one H is substituted with O, that is written as C2H5OH, that is called ethyl alcohol. Here the name of OH functional group is given hydroxy, that is IUPAC. This name is CN, common name, and their suffix is ol, that is on the basis of their compounds that we produce in front of you as per the second GF, which is CnH2n plus 1 OH. Now other GF is CnH2n plus 1 OH. If we take 1, then CH2,1OH, that is CH3OH, methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol is also known as hydroxymethane, and CH3OH is also known as methanol. IUPAC, CN. Similarly, when we produce 2, then C2H5OH, that is ethyl alcohol. Hydroxy ethane or ethanol. Here come to know about the radical of alkane, that is alkane alkyl radical CnH2n plus 2, that is CnH2n plus 1. Methane, their radical is methyl if n equal to 1. If n equal to 2, therefore ethane, that is ethyl. Similarly, if CnH2n plus 1 is the R, therefore methyl is the first radical, ethyl second radical, propyl third radical, and there so on. Now, formation of alcohol, the mechanism. When we displace one H from alkane and added by all alkane, when you displace E and added by OL, it produce alkanol, means CnH2n plus 1 plus 2 1H plus ol, that is CnH2n plus 1 ol. Here E stand for 1H and ol stand for bond OH. Therefore, CnH2n plus 2 plus OH, it gives us CnH2n plus 1 OH. This is the formulate form of alkanol. Similarly, methane, when we displace E and add ol, that is called methanol. CH4 minus OH plus OH, that is CH3OH. Now the second compound of alkane is ethane. We similarly displace E and substituted by OH functional group, then it produces ethanol. Ethane, when we substitute E by the ol, then it produces ethanol. Therefore, C2H6 minus 1H plus OH is called C2H5OH, ethanol. It is also known as hydroxyethane and ethyl alcohol. Now I am coming about the type of alcohol. There are three types of alcohol. One first alcohol is known as monohydric alcohol. Second is dihydric alcohol, and third is trihydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohol, first monohydric alcohol. Those alcoholic compound which contain only one OH functional group in them is called monohydric alcohol. Example: CH3OH, 1OH, C2H5OH, 1OH, C6H5OH, 1OH. This is methyl alcohol, hydroxymethane, ethyl alcohol, hydroxyethane, benzyl alcohol, that is called hydroxybenzene, or this hydroxybenzene is known as phenol. That structure is as, that is phenol. Compound containing only one OH functional group in them, so the alcohol is known as monohydric alcohol. Second, dihydric alcohol. Dihydric alcohol. An organic compound containing hydroalcoholic group in them is called dihydric alcohol, in which 2 alcohol functional group is present in a compound. So, dihydric define the term a compound which have 2 alcoholic functional group present in them is called dihydric alcohol. Example CH2OH bond CH2OH, and compound having the 2 OH functional group. Mechanism of dihydric alcohol: when 2 OH is replaced from an alkane due to 2 OH functional group, then example C2H6 replaced by 2H and added by 2OH functional group means C2H4OH2, that can be derived as CH2OH CH2OH. Similarly, all the functional group can be, all the compounds gradually replace 2 hydrogen atom by the 2 functional group and produce a dihydric alcohol. Now, third is trihydric alcohol. Trihydric alcohol, the replacing of 3 hydrogen from an alkane added by 3 functional group OH is called trihydric alcohol. जिस एल्केन से 3 हाइड्रोजन का रिप्लेसमेंट OH 3 फंक्शनल ग्रुप के द्वारा होता हो, ऐसे अल्कोहल को हम ट्राइहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल कहते हैं। एल्केन deducted by 3H and added by 3OH functional group, that is called alkanol 3. में दो कार्बन एटम होने के कारण ट्राइहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल का बनना पॉसिबल नहीं है। इसलिए प्रोपेनॉन प्रोपेन से 3H निकलता है और 3 OH फंक्शनल ग्रुप जोड़ देने से ये प्रोपेनोल 3 का निर्माण करता है। उसी प्रकार C3H8 रिप्लेस बाय 3H प्लस 3OH functional group, then it produce C3H5OH whole 3, that is in structure CH2OH CHOH CH3 CH2OH और OH 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 means 1 2 3 1 2 3 triol 1 2 3 triol propane or this 1 2 3 triol propane is also known as glycerin and it is also known as glycerol. Gradually we produce from butane, pentane, hexane and so many.